Hello students, welcome to Jupiter's Online Academy. We are discussing odd man out. So in this odd man out, now we will discuss self-practice. See, in this self-practice, our first question. See, in option 1, option 2, option 3, we have similar figures. Observe carefully. Like this it has, and also, and it one. But in case of option 4, it is different from all these three options. So 4 is our answer. Next, coming to question number 2. See, in option 1, we have only one arrow symbol in this. Next, in option 2 also we have only one. In option 2 we have two arrow symbols. Next, in option 4 we have only one arrow symbol. Means in option 1, option 2, option 4 we have one arrow symbols only. But in case of option 3 we have two arrow symbols. Means 3 is our answer. Next, question number 3. See, in option 1 we have this design like this, okay, and we have another extra line across this design, okay. Next, in option 2 also we have one extra line across this design. In option 4 also we have one extra line across this design. Means in option 1, option 2, option 4 we have similar figures. Observe carefully. But in case of option 3 it is different. Means we don't have this arrow, I mean this line across this figure. So option 3 is our answer. Next, question number 4. In option 1 we have this small dot inside the figure, and in option 2 we have this small dot at the exit center. In option 3 we have this small dot inside the figure. In option 4 also inside the figure we have this dot. So in option 1, option 3, option 4 we have inside only. But in case of option 2 we have at the exit point. So option 2 is our answer. Next, question number 5. In option 1 we have two V shapes. See, 1 and 2 means similar. In option 2 also we have two V shapes, means similar. In option 3 also we have two V shapes, means similar. But in option 4 we have two lines. So these two are lines. In option 1, option 2, option 3. These three figures are similar, that is 2. But in case of option 4 it is different from these three figures. So option 4 is our answer. Next, coming to question number 6. In first option, we have two lines inside this triangle. See, 1, 2, 3. 3 lines. In option 2, we have two lines. 1, 2. In option 3, 1, 2. Two lines inside the triangle we have. In option 4, 1, 2. Two lines inside this triangle. So, in option 2, option 3, option 4, we have two lines inside this triangle. But in case of option 4, we have three lines inside this triangle. So, option 1 is our answer. Next, question number 7. Okay, in this question, in first option, we have two similar figures inside and outside. That is circle. Two are similar, means same. Okay, in option 2 we have two squares. Inside and outside both are similar. So same. In option 4 we have hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inside also we have hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means both are similar inside and outside. So it is also same. But in case of option 3, outside we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. Inside 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Both are not similar. Means it is different. So in option 1, option 2, option 4. These three figures are similar, means inside and outside figures are same. But in case of option 3, it is different. So option 3 is our answer. Next, coming to question number 8. In first option, eyes are in triangle shape. Here we have triangle shape of eyes. In option 2, it is circular shape. In option 3, it is circular shape. In option 4 also it is circular shape. So in option 2, option 3, option 4, we have eyes in which shape? It is circular shape. But in case of option 1, it is triangular shape. See, observe carefully. It is triangular shape. See here, like this. It is in triangular shape. So option 1 is our answer. Next, coming to question number 9. In option 1, these two are opposite to each other in this pair. Okay. In option 3 also, these two are opposite to each other in this figure. Question number first option, third option, and fourth option, these two are opposite to each other. But in case of option 2, these two are not opposite to each other. So option 1, option 3, option 4, we have similar. That is opposite to each other in this figure. But in case of option 2, it is not opposite to each other. So option 2 is our answer. Next question number 10. See, in this first option, this figure is made by lines. In second option also this figure is made by lines. In fourth option also this figure is made by lines. Means it is made by lines. It is also made by lines. This last option also made by lines. But in case of option 3, it is made by circular shape. So option 1, option 2, option 4 are similar. Option 3 is different from these three options. So option 3 is our answer. Next question number 11. In this question number 11, option 1, observe carefully. We have two arrows that is opposite to each other. Next, in option 3, two arrows opposite to each other. In option 4, two arrows opposite to each other. But in case of option 2, one is arrow, one is another shape. Means option 1, option 3, option 4 are similar. But coming to option 2, it is different from these three options. So option 2 is our answer. Next, coming to 12th question. In option 1, we have outside figure is circle, inside is triangle. In second option also, we have outside one is circle, inside triangle. In third option, outside circle, inside triangle. But in fourth option, outside triangle, inside is a square. But in these three options, we have inside triangle. So option 1, option 2, option 3 are similar. Next, but in case of option 4, it is different from these three options. So option 4 is our answer. Next, question number 13. It is very easy, students. See, in option 3, we have one extra arrow here. But in case of option 2, we don't have any arrow in these three options. So we can say easily that 3 is our answer. Next, coming to question number 14. In option 1, these two are in the same direction. In which direction? Same direction. Next, in option 2 also, these two are same direction. In option 3 also, these three are same direction. But in case of option 4, these two are in different direction. Means I am writing here different direction. So option 1, option 2, option 3 are similar, and option 4 is different from these three options. So option 4 is our answer. Next, question number 15. In option 1, we have same figures that are 2 we have. In option 3, same figures we have 2 figures. In option 4, we have same figures 4. But in case of option 2, we have only one figure. So in option 1, option 3, option 4, we are having same figures and many number. But in case of option 2, we have only one number of figures. So option 2 is our answer. Next, question number 16. In option 2, option 3, option 4, we have FMT. Means these three letters are made by lines, completely lines. But in case of option 1, it is made by curved shape. So option 1 is our answer.